Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making penne with a white pasta sauce. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 pound box of penne pasta, 1 cup of chicken broth, parsley flakes, 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of grated parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. To a pot of boiling water, you want to add a little bit of salt, and we're going to add in our penne pasta. You want to cook your pasta according to the instructions on the box. Once your pasta is done cooking, you want to turn off your heat and drain it of all the water. Now to a heated saucepan, we're going to add in our butter. And we're going to let that melt. You want to put your heat on medium. Once your butter has melted, you want to add in your minced garlic. And we're going to saute that for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you want to add in your all-purpose flour. Then you want to continuously stir it. It'll be slightly thick. After you stirred it for 1 minute, we're going to add in our chicken broth. And we're also going to add in our milk. And you want to go ahead and stir it until it's nice and smooth. And it begins to boil. Guys, once you see it's getting thick, you want to go ahead and give it a little taste and see if you need to add salt. If you don't add it. We're going to go ahead and add in our grated parmesan cheese and also our ground black pepper. I'm going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. You can go ahead and lower your heat down to low. Okay guys, as you can see, you have a nice thick creamy white pasta sauce. You can go ahead and turn your heat off. And now you can go ahead and add in your pasta. You want to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined and coat it in your pasta sauce. Okay guys, look how yummy this is. It tastes delicious. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to sprinkle some parsley flakes over top just for garnish to give it a little color. Okay guys, so here we have it, our penne in a white pasta sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?